Welcome to this presentation on enhancing financial fraud detection with LLaMA2 NLP and NEO4J Graph database. This research was conducted by Bharat Kumar Eliboina et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about something that affects us all: financial fraud. It's a growing problem, constantly evolving, and costing individuals and institutions billions every year. Did you know that global financial losses due to fraud amount to billions of dollars annually? That's a staggering figure, and it highlights why our current systems often struggle. Traditional fraud detection relies on old rules or basic patterns, which are easily bypassed by today's clever fraudsters. They can't understand the nuances in transaction descriptions or see the hidden connections between accounts. This leaves us vulnerable, leading to missed fraud and frustrating false alarms for legitimate transactions. We need a smarter way to protect our money. So, how do we build a smarter system? Think of it like a super smart detective agency for your money. Our approach combines two powerful technologies: LLaMA2, a cutting edge language AI, and NEO4J, a specialized graph database. Imagine LLaMA2 as our language expert. It reads all the unstructured text data, like transaction descriptions, customer chat logs, or support tickets, and understands the true meaning and intent behind them. It can spot unusual phrases or hidden clues that a human might miss. Then we have NEO4J, our network analyst. It maps out all the relationships, who transacts with whom, which accounts are linked, and where money flows. It's like drawing a giant interconnected web, allowing us to see hidden fraud rings or complex money laundering schemes. By combining LLaMA2's deep understanding of language with NEO4J's ability to uncover hidden connections, we get a complete picture, making it much harder for fraudsters to hide. And the results of our detective agency? They're impressive. Our new system delivered a significant big win by drastically improving fraud detection. We managed to reduce false positives by a remarkable 25% compared to traditional methods. This means fewer legitimate transactions are wrongly flagged as suspicious, saving you and your bank a lot of hassle. More importantly, our system achieved an F1 SCORE of 0.92, demonstrating high reliability in catching actual fraud. We were able to uncover complex fraud patterns that traditional systems simply miss, like entire fraud rings coordinating their activities or intricate transaction loops used for money laundering. Plus, the system is incredibly fast and scalable, processing transactions in near real time, even with millions of records. This means quicker alerts and better protection. So, what do these results mean for the world today? This research is a game changer for financial security. By combining the power of language understanding with relationship mapping, we're building a much more intelligent and adaptive defense against fraud. This isn't just about catching more fraudsters, it's about making our financial systems fundamentally safer and more trustworthy. Banks can now protect your money more effectively, reduce the frustration of legitimate transactions being blocked, and adapt much faster to new fraud techniques as they emerge. It means greater confidence in your online banking, your credit cards, and all your digital transactions. This multimodal approach creates a holistic view of financial activity, strengthening the integrity of our entire financial ecosystem. Looking ahead, how will this research change your daily life in the next 5 years? Imagine fewer frustrating calls from your bank about a suspicious transaction that was actually just you buying groceries. Picture faster, more secure online purchases, knowing that sophisticated AI is working tirelessly behind the scenes to protect your money. You'll have greater confidence that your financial institutions are not only safeguarding your data, but also proactively stopping complex fraud before it impacts you. This research will lead to a financial system that is more resilient, more transparent, and ultimately more trustworthy for everyone. It's about giving you peace of mind in an increasingly digital world.